today's video, I'm going to tell you that how can you use same WhatsApp account on two mobiles. So this is very important for those who do not have another SIM to attend classes. And as you know that we have to join with a code to attend classes if we don't have link. So this same happens if your brother keep attending classes on the mobile and you only have a Wi-Fi connection. So in this video I'm going to tell you that with the Wi-Fi connection how you can load messages from your mobile's WhatsApp and to your second mobile which do not have a SIM. So as you can see, this app is called Tablet Messenger, and in this app first we have to tap on WhatsApp because we want it on WhatsApp. Now scroll down until you see the Start Now big button. Now click on the Start Now button. As you click, you will see that it's load for some time, but it will suddenly load. So in this phase here, you will see a QR code. As you can see, you have to scan it from your mobile's WhatsApp to prove that it's your and not the others. So here I have a mobile and I will share the screen with it. Now let's start. As you can see the screen, first we have to tap on the three dots and tap on linked devices over here. Now as you can see that there are so many devices linked to it and we have to tap on link or device over here. As you can see, now it will ask for the password. We'll type the password and then as you can see this is the camera. Now as fast as I scan the code it shows on one more, and now look at the screen of my tablet. As you can see the WhatsApp has came and you can actually do everything in your WhatsApp account. But there's one more thing that you would not be able to video call anyone, because why do you want to video call while attending classes? So this is it in this video, and if you want the part 2 of it then comment me in the comment box. So the part 2 will be more easier. Thank you for watching and wait. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed, and share it to your friends and classmates. Thank you for watching.